We're going to go ahead and get out of the pool. See how this ends up. Looks like we're still doing a little casting. A little lean to the right, looks like. A little wave, looks like he's got something. I don't know. We're going to find out. And we've got a fish. It's a beautiful fish. I don't know if you can see it from here. We're quite a ways away, fans. Sports fans, this is an amazing feat. This man's 64 years of age today is just catching his first brookie trout, and we're really excited for him. So we're going to see what it comes out to be when he comes back to camp. Stay tuned.